Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at an LED light. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay, I've got the light out of the water, and you'll see here the back of it. It's got these 8 or so screws around it, holding it together. First thing we'll do is take all of those loose and pull the ring off the light. And you can use a screwdriver to pull the lens out of the light fixture. Okay, once that's separated, you'll see the PC board. This is where the all the LEDs are. We'll remove the screws. There are 3 screws around this holding it in place and 2 wires of black and white. So let's pull the screws out. Okay, and we'll just pick up on the board and pull it out. And this actually will all go in the garbage. And we'll get the new lens gasket out and go ahead and put it on the lens. Just take the old lens gasket off. You'll notice that it's ribbed on one side and smooth on the other. Make sure you put it back the exact same way. Clean it thoroughly. Okay. And once you got the gasket on, and make sure you have it in the right configuration, it's ready to go back together. We'll pull the PC board out. The kit will come with a package of white, it's like a silicone. Go ahead and smear it all over the back of the PC board, covering up all the metal, and then set it back into place. There are 2 plastic washers that will go on these 2 screws. The other screw will not have a washer. It's for your ground wire. Okay, now just put it all back together, tighten up the screws, and it's ready to go back in the pool and tested. Okay, we've turned it on. Look over here, we've got a blue light. That's the one we just replaced. Looking good. And we've got the same blue light over here. Now when you change them, you will have to sync the lights. We've got another video for that. But thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.